In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT with Notion. This setup is extremely useful if you want to bring AI-powered writing, summaries, task automation, and knowledge management directly into your Notion workspace. Whether you are a student organizing notes, a creator drafting content, or a professional managing projects, this connection can significantly improve how you work inside Notion. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Notion account. Once you are inside your workspace, look toward the left side of the screen and locate the Settings option. Click on it to open the Main Account and Workspace menu. This area contains all of the controls related to how your workspace functions, including integrations and advanced connections. Here you can manage preferences, security options, and billing. But for this tutorial, the most important section is the one related to external connections. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a moment to confirm that you are currently working inside the correct one, since integrations are applied at the workspace level. Next, in the Settings sidebar, click on Connections. This is where Notion allows third-party tools, APIs, and services to connect with your workspace. This section is essential because it enables external platforms, including AI tools, to interact securely with your Notion pages and databases. Once you are on the Connections page, scroll through the available options until you find Notion MCP. This stands for Notion Model Context Protocol, which is designed to allow AI tools like ChatGPT to communicate safely and effectively with your Notion content. Click on Notion MCP to open its connection details. Inside the Notion MCP section, look for the option labeled ChatGPT Connect. This is the feature that links OpenAI ChatGPT directly to your Notion workspace. Click on ChatGPT Connect to begin the connection process. At this point, Notion may display a permission screen. Take a moment to review what access is being requested so you understand how ChatGPT will interact with your pages, databases, and content. When you are comfortable with the permissions, approve the connection. The setup will complete automatically in just a few moments. Once finished, your Notion workspace is officially connected to OpenAI ChatGPT. From here, you can start using AI-powered features inside Notion to generate content, summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, and enhance your daily workflows. This integration can save you a lot of time and completely change how you use Notion on a daily basis. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.